Okay, today is February 8, 2025. I'm making peelings for either pierogi or samosa. Okay, here we go. All right, today is February 8th, 2025. I am making the peeling for either pierogi or samosa. Okay, it's gonna be stuffed with potato. All right, and a little bit some vegetable, but we'll see. Okay, I am transferring my pierogi slash samosa spilling on this one. Okay, I'm gonna create a mashed potato for this. I'll use that as a filling. So as you can see, I had my slotted spoon here. All right, this water, I will be using it for my stew, so I'm not gonna throw it away. This is where all the nutrients from the from the potato that I just blanched or boiled. Okay, so I'm not throwing it away. I will use it for my stew, my fork stew. Okay, all right. All right, I'm gonna continue. So I'm gonna make a mashed potato. Okay, this is for the filling for my pierogi or samosa. Okay, and this is exactly what I'm doing. So this is homemade samosa or pierogi. Okay, either way, either one. So if I have any extra filling, this is I kept them for a few days, and I decided to do samosa, then or pierogi, then this would be it. Be the filling inside. All right, it's done. It's mashed already. So what I'm gonna do is I'm not gonna add milk on this. Okay, I'm not putting heavy cream. So I'm not like making mashed potato. This is just a filling right now. What I would do, I'm gonna put a pink Himalayan salt or a Himalayan pink salt. All right, and just for the taste. All right. Okay, I just added this pink Himalayan salt right here. So what I would do is I'm just gonna put this into a small container. I will not be making the pierogi today. Okay, I just made the filling. So today is February 8th, 2025. This is the filling of either samosa or pierogi. All right. Jerico Matias Cruz here, by the way.